Hi, I am Kavita, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, SSM Institute of Engineering and Technology, Dindigul. Let us see the topic Jacobians. In the Unit 2, Functions of Several Variables, in MA 8151, Engineering Mathematics 1 for first year engineering students. Now, let us see the applications of Jacobians. Jacobians have more important applications such as functional dependence, transformation of variable in multiple integrals, problems in partial differential equations, and in the study of existence of implicit functions determined by the system of functional equations. Now let us see the definition of Jacobians. If u and v are continuous functions, so if we take a functions u and v, then it should be continuous of two independent variables x and y having first order partial derivatives, then the determinant dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y is called the Jacobian. It is also denoted by dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y or j of u by x comma v by y. This is called the definition of Jacobian. If we use two variables, transformation of two variables to set of another two variables, then we use 2 cross 2 matrices. Suppose if we take three variables u, v, w or any other x, y, z like this, then we use 3 cross 3 matrices. Even if we use higher than 2 and 3 variables, use the higher order determinants. Okay. First we see here two variable functions. If x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta, find the Jacobian of dou of x comma y by dou of r comma theta. So here we use a two variable function x and y which contains r comma theta. Both x and y are the functions of r comma theta. So we have to find dou of x comma y by dou of r comma theta. We know that dou of x comma y by dou of r comma theta equal to determinant of dou x by dou r, dou x by dou theta and dou y by dou r, dou y by dou theta. Okay, so first we have to find the first order differentiation of x and y. Next we find the first order differentiation of x and y. So first take x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. First dou x by dou r equal to differentiate x with respect to r. We have r equal to 1. If we differentiate r, we get 1. So the result is cos theta. And dou x by dou theta equal to minus r sin theta. Because differentiation of cos theta equal to minus sin theta. So we have dou x by dou theta equal to minus r sin theta. Here also dou y by dou r equal to sin theta. And dou y by dou theta equal to or cos theta. So we substitute in the Jacobian determinant dou of r comma theta, that is dou x by dou r and dou x by dou theta, dou y by dou r, dou y by dou theta, that is equal to, what is dou x by dou r here? Cos theta. So cos theta, dou x by dou theta equal to minus r sin theta. So minus r sin theta. Next dou y by dou r sin theta. Dou y by dou theta equal to r cos theta. Next we find the determinant value. Cos theta into r cos theta equal to r cos square theta minus sin theta into minus r sin theta equal to minus r sin theta, but already we have one minus here, so plus or sin square theta. Taking r outside, so r cos square theta plus sin square theta, that is equal to r. Since cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to r, therefore dou of x comma y by dou of r comma theta equal to r. This is the result for this problem. Next, we see here three variable functions. If u equal to x plus 3y squared minus z cube, x plus 3y squared minus z cube, and v equal to 4x squared minus z, w equal to 2z squared minus xy. Then find dou of u comma v comma w by dou of x comma y comma z. So this is a three variable Jacobian. We have to find the Jacobian of three variable. So we use 3 cross 3 determinant. By formula we have dou of u v w by dou of x y z equal to determinant of, first take u. So dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou u by dou z. Second take v, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, and dou v by dou z. Finally take w. So we have dou w by dou x, dou w by dou y, and dou w by dou z. This is the determinant. So we have to find the input values of this determinant. Take u equal to x plus 3y square minus z cube, and v equal to 4x square yz, and w equal to 2z square minus xy. So dou u by dou x equal to 1, and dou u by dou y equal to 6y, dou u by dou z equal to minus 3z square. Okay, and dou v by dou x equal to 8x, dou v by dou y equal to 4x square z, dou v by dou z equal to 4x square y. Here also 4xz. Next, dou w by dou x equal to minus y, dou w by dou y equal to minus x, and dou w by dou z equal to 4z. This is the value. Here also, if we want to take a particular value of the Jacobian, that is find dou u comma v comma w by dou of x comma y comma z at 1 minus 1 0. So we have to find the Jacobian value at a particular point 1 minus 1 0. So here we differentiate all these things, the u, v, w. So dou u by dou x equal to 1, dou u by dou y equal to 6y, dou u by dou z equal to minus 3z squared. Here also it is all partial differential equations. So if we differentiate with respect to x, other two variables are treated as constants. So here x equal to 1, this is y and z are constants, so we put 0. Similarly, dou u by dou y equal to, here a constant, there is no y here, so this is a constant 0, 2 into 3y, 6y, here also 0. Dou u by dou z equal to, these two values are negative if we differentiate with respect to z, therefore minus 3z square. Similarly, we differentiate v and w. So now we put the values of all these things in the definition determinant. Now we apply all the values of differentiation values in this matrix. So we have dou u by dou x equal to 1 6y and dou u by dou z equal to minus 3z square. Secondly, we have v equal to 4x squared y z. Already we differentiate v with respect to x, y, z. So 8x, y, z and 4x squared z. Here 4x squared y. Finally, last one is with respect to w. So minus y, minus x and 4z. This is the value. Now we have to find dou of UPW by dou x comma y comma z at the point 1 minus 1 0. So we put, instead of x we put 1 and y minus 1 and z equal to 0. So we here constant, so 1, y equal to minus 1, so minus 6, z 0, so 0. Next, put z equal to 0, then it is 0. So it is also 0. 4x squared y means minus 4. Next, minus y means 1 and minus x equal to minus 1 equal to 0. So we have to find the determinant value of this matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix. That is equal to 1 determinant value. First, we have to find the determinant value 1. 0 minus 4 plus 6, 0 plus 4. Therefore, that is minus 4 plus 24. The answer is 20. The final answer is 20. So, the Jacobian of dou of u comma v comma w divided by dou of x comma y comma z equal to 20. This is the answer. If we see another one property of Jacobian, that is chain property. Dou of u comma v by r comma theta equal to x comma y and dou of x comma y by r comma theta. This is called the chain property. So Jacobian of dou of u comma v by dou of r comma theta equal to dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y into dou of x comma y by dou of r comma theta. Here u is a function of u and v is a function of x, y, and x comma y is a function of r comma theta. So if u, v are the functions of x and y and x and y are the functions of r comma theta, then Jacobian of dou of u comma v by dou of r comma theta equal to dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y into dou of x comma y by dou of r comma theta. By using this property, now we solve one problem. If u equal to x squared minus y squared, v equal to 2xy and x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, find dou of u comma v by dou of r comma theta. Already we see the property of chain property. Here u and v are the functions of x and y and x and y are the functions of r comma theta. So we have to find dou of u comma v by dou of r comma theta. So by the definition of the chain property, we write it as dou of u comma v by dou of r comma theta equal to u comma v by x comma y into dou of x comma y by dou of r comma theta. So we have to find two Jacobians J1 and J2, where J1 is equal to dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y and J2 equal to dou of x comma y by dou of r comma theta. By using these two Jacobians, we find dou of u comma v by dou of r comma theta. Already we find x equal to r sin r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Then the Jacobian of dou of u x comma y by r comma theta equal to r. So this value is equal to r. Already we see the problem in first problem is that problem. So we see it. So now we have to find only dou of u comma v by dou of x comma y. That is equal to determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y into r. Already we see the problem, so then only we find it. Only we put the values here. Dou u by dou x equal to 2x. So 2x, and dou u by dou y equal to minus 2y. Next, dou v by dou x equal to 2y, and dou v by dou y equal to 2x. Here we have r. This r is here. So that is equal to r 4x squared plus 4y squared. So take 4 outside. So x squared plus y squared. And we know that x squared plus y squared equal to, here we see that x squared equal to r squared cos squared theta, and y squared equal to r squared sin squared theta. So if we add these two, we have r squared. So x squared equal to r squared cos squared theta, y squared equal to r squared sin squared theta. So x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. So using that value here, we have 4r into r squared equal to 4r cube. So the final value is 4r cube.